Hello everyone, the Wave Blur here in attendance, and welcome back to the channel. Hello everyone, back on another video, and today I'm doing a fan art drawing of Chainsaw Man. The other day we had a huge trailer drop for this series, and it is confirmed that this will be releasing this October. The fall season of anime is officially going to be one of the craziest seasons of anime I've ever seen. We have Bleach returning, My Hero Season 6, the War Arc coming, and we have Mob Psycho. And now it's confirmed that Chainsaw Man will be releasing this October. A lot of people had its doubts that it will be releasing later this year, probably closer towards the winter season of anime, but it turns out that it was true that this was coming out this fall in October, and I am very, very hyped for this series. But yeah, let's get into this fan art drawing, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hello everyone, welcome back, and here's the finished fan art drawing. Comment below on how you guys feel about it, but like I said, I am very excited for this series. I'm still behind on the manga. I do want to catch up to finish part 1 so I can get into part 2, because I heard great things from part 2 of Chainsaw Man, but I am very hyped for Chainsaw Man when it releases this October. Like I said, it's going to be the battle between these Jump series, because so far, one of the hypest series for the fall season was arguably Bleach, because it has been over 10 years since Bleach has been on air, and the fact that it's coming back, a lot of people are already hyped about it. And then on top of that, you have Chainsaw Man returning, the War Arc from My Hero, and on top of that, Mob Psycho is confirmed to come back this fall. It is going to be a great season for anime, and we're going to be eating good. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. This is the Wave Blur, signing off.